Hello, good morning friends. I am Vishal. Today we are going to learn a new chapter of 10th standard simultaneous equations in two variables. What are those? We will take a simple example on that. That's why you will get clear understanding about it. So look at here. What is simultaneous equations in two variables? The equation which consists two variables we called it as simultaneous equations in two variables. Look at here. If I take for example x plus y is equal to 6. So this equation represents a straight line because the equation of straight line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So that line may be whatever it may be on the coordinate system. So and another equation is x minus y is equal to 4. So we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. There are two methods for solving the equation. One method is elimination method. In that we remove one variable from the equation and find out the values of another variable. X minus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 4. So in that case we add these two equations. After adding, what we get? 2x is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 5. And for the value of, put the value of 5, x is equal to 5 in this equation number 1. Then what will you get? X plus y is equal to 6. Therefore 5 plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 1. So the solution is, so x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of these two simultaneous equations by elimination method. But there is another method which is known as graphical method, which is somewhat different from this. Look at here. In the graphical method, what we do is we take different values of x and for that we find different values of y and we get certain number of points, and plotting that points on the graph paper we get a line. By plotting the line, thus we get two straight lines. For this equation we get one line and for this equation we get another line, and the point of intersection of that two lines represents the answer of the solution of the two simultaneous equations that we have just calculated by simple method, elimination method. Look at here. I will take 4 values of x. For that we have to make a chart. Look at here. X, y and xy. So for the value of x we take minus 1 as the value. Minus 1, again 2, 3, 4. So for this values of x, what is the value of y? For x is equal to minus 1, what is y? We get y is equal to, here, just put x is equal to minus 1 here. Minus 1 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6. This minus 1 shift there to form plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So for x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 7. Similarly, for x is equal to 2, what we will get? What the value of y we will get? For x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to, look at here, y is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. So for x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 4. Similarly, for x is equal to 3, we get the value of, for x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. And for x is equal to 4, we get value of y as 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So we get 4 points. Look at here. -1, 7, 2 minus 1 7 2 4 3 3 and 4 2. So we have to plot these points on the graph paper so that we get a line. These are four points for this equation. Now, what are those points? I will write here. Minus 1 7 2 4 3 3 and 4 2. So for this equation, now the equation is changed. We will take this equation, x minus y is equal to 4. So in that case, if we remain the value of x as similar, but we have to find the value of y for this same values of x. So what will the value of y we will get? So for x is equal to minus 1. Now the equation is changed so that values will also change for y. For x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus, for x is equal to, put it here, for x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to what? So we have to put here minus 1. Minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. This implies y is equal to minus 1 minus 4, minus 5. What we get? Y is equal to minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5 for first value. Similarly for second value, x is equal to 2. 2 minus y is equal to 4, therefore y is equal to 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Similarly for x is equal to 3, just put the value of x as 3. Then what we will get? Y? Y is equal to 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. And for x is equal to 4, just put value of x as 4. Therefore minus y shifts there y. 4 minus 4, that is 0. We get the value of y as 0. So therefore we will get another coordinates for y, xy coordinates, minus 1 minus 5, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and 4 0. So the another set of point is minus 1 minus 5 for second equation, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and 4 0. So we have to plot this point on graph paper. So look at here, I will draw a graph. Your graph will be look like this. It having x-axis, y-axis. So what are the values of x we have taken? This is minus 1 minus x. This is 0 or origin O. Then 2, 3, 4. 1 may be here. Okay. So by plotting these points, and y coordinates are 7, 4, 3, 2. If I will take here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first point is minus 1, 7. Minus 1, 7. Point will be here. 2, 4. 2, 4. The point will be here. Again 3, 3. Here. And 4, 2. 4, 2 will be here. So by plotting this line, this is the equation of x plus y is equal to 6. Similarly, we have to plot another line, that is which has minus 1 minus 5 coordinates. Minus 1 minus 5 will be here. So here you will get 1 point. Again 2 minus 2, 2 and minus 2. Here you will get 1 point. Again 3 minus 1, that point will be here. and 4 0 means it is on x-axis. So if I draw another line going from all that points, and what is the point of intersection? That is the solution for that particular answer or solution for the simultaneous equations. Okay, thank you. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel HD Classes. Thank you.